Blessings, beautiful people. Hope you're all feeling blessed. Yeah. Now, this new identification system in Jamaica has really been driving some persons wild. Because I've heard the weirdest theories and the weirdest points and the weirdest opinions. I've heard the weirdest recordings and seen the weirdest videos. Now, with retinal scan, there are persons saying rectal scan. And I don't understand that. Why would someone want to scan your butt? I see Wayne Lonesome made this video, and okay guys, just look at this video and tell me what you think.
After research, you have to use all of the papers and see where I come and get birth certificate and everything. A man can go claim something and use a name and somebody will pass and missing where you never know about, and a man use it, and even if you go take him fingerprint or you take him eye scan, yeah, you stick the name to the man for life. We never saw him name in the first place. A matter of fact, to me, this more come like at the mark at the
Peeps, what him don't understand is that once it's a biometric scan, no two person has the same eye scan. You understand? But with the national ID that we have now, somebody can just take up somebody's ID and go use it, because there's no way to prove that it's the person. Not even the fingerprint. It can't be run at any location where you use the ID. So basically this man don't know what I'm talking about.
beast them a bring from Jamaica. Serious to God. Me have a problem with this. Because I read Revelation 16, yeah? And where 16 say, the beast force all people, small and great, rich and poor, slave and free, to have a marketplace on their right hands or their forehead. Now, when you talk about the eye scan, but the thing says, I put something on the boat chip and what have you. The eye scan, I see same thing, man. They might take a face impression, I see same thing, man. And then they might take a fingerprint, man. You see me, I say? This is the mark of the beast. So we have some antichrist in Jamaica. With them called politics.
No antichrist, people. No antichrist. These scans are needed. It's an updated form of security. No one can use your ID then. And wherever you go with your ID, you don't have to go a dozen places. You don't have to work with a dozen documents. One ID. Alright? It's an updated system. It makes no sense we're using an ID that can't be used with a machine. It can't be used at the hospital as L card wise or anything like that. We need one ID. You just need one ID. Isn't that more efficient?
I thought about you can use it for fight crime. So all the matter they say they never use it and it never identify you. Yes, still you want people for go of you. You not commit no crime. That the liberty they want to take away. You see me I say? Me think them they use a system like this.
Obviously, if you're not a wrongdoer, if you're not committing crimes, then you've got nothing to worry about. Alright peeps, let's move on to the next video. Yeah peeps, I really don't understand why some of these persons don't just do the research before actually coming online and misleading people and scaring persons. Some of this I know is politically driven. Some persons are being fed with wrong information. Wrong information is being fed to the public about the national ID system and the scares of the mark of the beast and the 666, which is nothing like that. And the other side is that some persons just don't understand. So they listen one time and they think they understand and they just share the information, and when you check it out, it's nothing like what they heard. Now check this other recording and you'll understand what I'm basically talking about. Some persons just listen and they don't understand what they hear.
Because I realize that some persons are not clear as to what's going on. Because some persons just don't keep up with the media, they don't keep up with this politics thing, they just don't really care, they just live. But by truth and by right, you want to live, but you also have to know what's going on in your country, your community, in the world, because things will creeping into onto us guys, and we seriously just get caught up. So this is what's going on. I'm keeping up, following up with this new ID system that they're trying to implement in the Jamaica society. Now, for this new ID system, based on my analyzation and what I've listened to with the news and everybody else that's following up with it, you have to now scan your veins in your hand. No, it's not what I heard, it's what I watched. It's a new Japanese system.
That's a Japanese system.
You scan your veins in your hand,
that's
your
a Eastern
rectus,
Hemisphere system,
which is done by your bottom area, it seems to me.
That's fun.
Your foot bottom, your eyes, and also you have to have give your DNA sample.
That's a lie.
For this new identification system. No, this is too personal. They're also saying that with the new identification system, you no longer have to use card to go to the machine. They just swipe it and your money come to you.
No,
you guys should
this
read
country has
13,
not the amount of
see
money.
that
This
speak
country,
about all of this, which is the mark of the beast creeping up.
This country does not have the amount of money to do implants for technology like that. It's nothing like that.
Well, it might sound weird, but not everyone might believe in what I'm saying. But it is what it is. You know, the Bible have to fulfill, but not saying that we don't have a right to speak up. We can speak about this. We can speak out about this. We don't need to be silent. We are the citizens of Jamaica, and we make Labour Right come in, and we make PNP come in, and we vote for them. So we can take them out, and we have a right to speak about what.
Anyway, guys, I'll be leaving a link to this video down below, and you can go and view the rest of this recording. Alright, now guys, these are the facts. You won't be arrested for not having a national ID. It's not mandatory. Alright, you will not be sent to jail. You won't be charged with any crime. The next thing is that it does not require your DNA sample. Alright, it does not. And it does not require a butt sample either. Okay, it requires your fingerprint, your palm print, your sole print. It requires your biometrics, that your eye scan. It requires your address, telephone number, date of birth, mother and father's name. It requires your religion. It requires your occupation, your ethnicity. It does not require your political affiliation or your sexual orientation. It does not require the information about your salary. Alright? It's basically the same as the regular census. So guys, don't be misled by these videos and these recordings that persons that have no idea or did not do any research as to this matter. Okay, and remember, for more information on this, you can always subscribe to Elite Jamaica, and you click the notification icon so you never miss an update. And as always, I promise you guys, I will always be on top of current affairs. You will always get the latest information from this channel. Blessings, people. One more thing before I go, guys. Just remember that all the information that's going to be needed for the ID will be voluntarily given. For example, if you don't want to say what's your occupation or what's your religious standing, you don't have to. Alright, so until then, guys, bless up.